Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see speed cams on the map in the Waze application. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, then click on the settings. Now click on the map display and you should see the view on map section, the reports option. Click on it, and the first one is the speed cams. Here you can select if you want to turn on or off the show on map setting or option, and the alert while driving option. So if you want to be alerted if a speed cams is on your way, then the app will alert you while you are driving. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.